Well, we seem to be on the road. The last one was a weird dessert food. We followed up with something even weirder. First of all, 99, they are like what's the name of it? 99 brand, I guess. They are like the jelly belly of the alcohol world. You know, not the jelly beans, because every jelly bean pretty much tastes the same. The jelly bellies, where they have like buttered popcorn, and they tell you that if you eat a chocolate one and a banana one, it tastes like a chocolate covered. But you know, these weird combinations, they come up with like all these specific tastes. That's how I feel 99 brand does. And I don't know if it's 99 or 99 brand. It said 99 brand. It also says whipped. And it has a little whipped cream with a cherry on it. Or an albino poop emoji. I'm not sure. A liquor! There's a place not far from here that makes liquor. Hiram Walker is made, yeah, just up the road there. Just up the road, 30, 35 miles. This reminds me, the little bottle like this, they used to sell those, or the only place you used to get the little whiskey bottles was airplanes, or weirdly enough, the only place I know was airplanes, or one truck stop out in the middle of nowhere, Arizona. My dad drove a truck pretty much his whole life, and he would stop out there and get those different bottles of whiskey. I don't know why he assumed that would be a good thing for a 12-year-old boy to collect, but still have somewhere, a ton of those bottles, those little whiskey bottles. I mean, buku. And of course now they're all 30, 35 years old. Probably pretty good. But I mean, they were cool. He did that run constantly for years. And he brought those things, and the Crown Royal came in a little Crown Royal bag and everything. But what reminds me of. Okay. So anyway, the party starts with 99. Trout. I ain't tried it yet. I don't know why I'm slurring. Alright. The party starts with 99. Try all the intense, great tasting flavors and experience a flavor frenzy in every shot. Live life in color. We have whipped. I'm assuming whipped cream. Oh, that smells good. That smells like dessert. Hey, funny enough, it actually smells like a Jelly Belly. The marshmallow Jelly Belly. That's what it smells like. Last time I talked about our guide out in Jack Daniels talking about drizzling some on ice cream. I bet this would be good on ice cream or like an angel food cake or something like that. Just when dang, that smells good. This whole video may be me sniffing this. I may turn this into potpourri. Oh man, if I get one of those little wax heaters, or they're not made of wax, they're heaters to do the scented wax. You know what I mean? Google it, alright? I didn't take it a raise. But anyway, pour some of that in there. I wonder if the alcohol will catch on fire. How much is this? What percent is it? Oh, 49.5% alcohol by volume. Almost half of it is alcohol. Alright, you know what? Okay, again, this is really not the baseline for liqueur. Well, I say that. This could be the baseline for liqueurs. I tell you right now, it's going to be good. professionalism. Boom. All right, here we go. Now, when it's out of the bottle, weirdly enough, a little bit more of the alcohol smell when it's out of the bottle. No, did it? Here we go. Come on, don't let me down. Good Lord. Okay, I feel 50-50 about this. Actually, I feel 49.5, 50.5 on this. Like that, man. The 49.5 is alcohol. Boy, you feel it. I mean, cleans out the sinuses. You feel it going down. Not the whole internal burn, because a little drop, I mean, but still. Not the, oh my God, that warmed me up inside type burn. But there's no doubt that's alcohol. Now the taste, you get a little bit of the alcohol, you know, sting, you would say. But that tastes like it smells. This is a dessert drink. I understand liqueur, and I've never been a mixed drink type of person. I guess the closest I've came to a mixed drink is, I've seen I've had a fuzzy navel, screwdriver, stuff like that. The most I think I've ever mixed was pouring what was left out of one beer into a new beer, so I can throw that one bottle away. That's pretty much it. But I can say making some mixed drinks with this. I'm giving this thumbs up all the way. I still gotta think of the ratings this one. And a catchphrase. I don't know. I'm trying to think of this catchphrase to end it. It's got me whipped. Jeez.